an almond butter smoothie bowl. What we're going to need for the base of the smoothie bowl: 2 frozen bananas, some almond butter, 1/3 of a cup, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a cup of plant milk. You can use soy milk, almond milk, coconut milk, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and optional you can add a scoop of vegan protein powder. And then we move on to the toppings. We have some chopped paw-paw, chopped banana, almond butter, desiccated coconut, and hemp seeds. Your first step will be to add the frozen bananas along with the plant milk to a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. And then all we do is add the rest of the base ingredients to the blender. Once the banana is completely blended up, all you need to do is add the rest of the ingredients, starting with the cocoa powder, the almond butter, next scoop of vegan protein powder, teaspoon of vanilla, and then we blend until smooth. It's perfectly smooth and creamy. Now all we're going to do is add it to our serving bowls and then top it with the delicious topping. We firstly add the base of the smoothie.